Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is my 2005 Honda Civic Si EP3. I love this car. And this video is going to be about this exhaust. So a lot of you guys have been asking me, what catback do you have? What catback do you have? What exhaust do you have? What's your exhaust setup? What's this? What's that? What does it sound like? Can you do a video? And I've been holding it back, but I need to do it. I gotta do it. So let's go ahead and do a sound clip test. I'm gonna put it further away and just zoom it up because it's gonna be loud. So okay, I'm definitely gonna get kicked out, but hope you guys enjoyed that video. That was pretty fun. This car is pretty loud. I know it has a rev limiter, but it's okay. But it smells like tires. Just launched my car, so next video would be how to launch your car. Peace out and let your passion drive you.